name is Nagaraj Shet from Kumta. I am this time issue. So today is born of the Bhagavad Gita day, Margashira Shuddha Paksha. So Ekadashi, and this listening message Arjuna, listening to Arjuna this message Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita 18 days, 18 listening the page of the this Bhagavad Gita is so Hindu religion popular history of the this Bhagavad Gita is so popular history, and every people life journey this history attaching is so this Hindu religion is a popular listening one lesson, and every people this message this every life journey is so more important because this message Mahabharata and Arjuna listening Sri Krishna is Lord of the Hindu religion, popular God in one God, Lord of the Sri Krishna. This Bhagavad Gita is this today is more important holy day because this Bhagavad Gita is so listening Arjuna is listening is so more important history of and library more important day today. I am like this day, and so every people listening, asking and talking every day Hindu religion or other religion people is so more important today. And Bhadrapada Margashira Ekadashi is so every people this important holy day. I am important day. See every people he asking.